hover doors, also recognized as sliding or floating doors, introduce a futuristic twist to the classic barn door. These doors go beyond the realm of imagination by employing cutting-edge technology to genuinely levitate above the ground. Here, we'll explore the common components of hover doors. Door slab, similar to traditional barn doors, often made of various materials like wood, glass, or metal. Track support header, a structural component that is attached to the wall, providing support for the track. It helps distribute the weight of the door. Track support bracket, brackets or mounts used to secure the track support header to the wall or ceiling. These brackets help stabilize the header and track. Neodymium, at the heart of it all, this technology empowers the door to achieve levitation by harnessing supermagnets to create opposing forces that defy gravity. Track or guide system. While hover doors don't rely on a traditional track like sliding barn doors, they often have a subtle guide system that helps maintain stability and alignment as the door hovers. Soft close mechanism, optional hardware that slows down and gently closes the door to prevent it from slamming. Soft close trigger, when engaged, prompts a smooth and gradual closing action. Installation hardware, fasteners, brackets, and mounts required to install and secure the hover door components in place. Work with a skilled craftsman or designer to create a unique and personalized barn door that suits your preferences and complements your space. You can select from a variety of barn door cover colors for your glass door to match your personal preferences. Please note that hover doors are a relatively specialized and high-tech type of door, and their specific components may vary depending on the manufacturer and design. Proper installation is critical to ensure the safe and reliable operation of hover doors. Consulting with a professional installer or technician is recommended for such systems. Everything we create is precision engineered to exacting standards using commercial-grade materials, ensuring the functionality and durability of each hover door system stands the test of time. We back our systems with a lifetime warranty to provide our customers with complete peace of mind. The experience of witnessing the precision and technology behind these doors was truly enlightening. We extend our deepest appreciation for giving us the opportunity to demonstrate our hover door components in action.